Hi friend, this is me Ajay Sharma and today we are having the discussion topic and our topic is who is responsible for your failure, your parents and you. I feel that I would like to ask them that who is responsible for your failure. Do you think that your parents or you?
Sometime parents or sometime we, because parents always support us sometime, and they provide us everything, provide us like our TLM and our financially condition. They provide everything, computer, PC, everything, because they want that you should become something
Something.
in your life,
Yeah.
like IS officer. And sometimes we are responsible for our failure because
And you
parents
don't you think that sometimes that our parents is giving us like lots of things but we don't study?
yes,
Or
same.
we are not like successful, or we
Yeah.
started to make the excuse that because our parent did not support us, that's why we did not become. There were like lots of example in our India. They were not having the good support of their parents but they became something in their life.
If your parents give you everything
Yeah.
which you want, you can't become something in your
Right,
life.
right. So never ever think that if you don't have parents, if your parents is not supporting you, it doesn't mean that you are not going to be something in your life. You
You
will,
can.
and you can, and you need your dedication at that time towards your goal. If your dedication is perfect, if you are very dedicated person, you can be. It's very easy to be,
You can do it alone also.
but you need to sacrifice so many things in your life. If you are not going to sacrifice, then you are not going to get your goal.
But according to me, I am always against those parents who doesn't wanna make their children of their choice. Like if any person wants to become a scientist, but the parents are not letting him to go to a part-time job, so this makes the career of the student dropped.
Okay.
But Sumit, you will have to fight for become something, because parents sometimes doesn't support. You will have to work like part-time job. If parents doesn't want you should do job, so you will have to fight, Sumit, because it's your life, it's your choice.
Because sometimes your parents will try to they just want to show their own aim. They will just try to expose like their own goal to you.
What they could not do,
They are just trying to give you that thing
Yeah.
that now you do that. Like my father, if he wanted to become teacher, but he didn't become, so he will say that now you become the teacher.
yeah.
But they
So
doesn't.
do you think that will I be happy because I don't have interest to teach?
Sometimes they do not
But
understand
I
our
am having the
feelings.
interesting to take the photography and all. I have the interest to go in the fashion designing and all. I will be very happy. Whether I will not make money, but I will be very happy because I am doing the things where is my interesting is there.
Yeah.
Are you getting that?
Yeah, this is the reality that the parents always wants that, but they could not do. They are saying that my child would do this.
Yeah,
But it's not a point, because parent doesn't understand our feelings sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the parents doesn't.
You have to fight with them. The way is that not like we are not saying that we have to fight. You have to argue with them.
But what?
You have to convince with them with your communication skills.
Listen, if you are against your parents, so what to say about the neighbors? They are always saying that.
Like your neighbor will taunt
they are-
you this and that. They are just going to give you so many example of your neighbor and your relatives and all. But I feel that it doesn't mean that they don't, that even that they are not going to give you the chapati when you are hungry.
Yeah, this happens. Like if you are against your parents, you are also against your neighbors.
Yeah. When you are not going to be something in your life, then they are going to criticize you. But once you became in front of them, they will say that I knew it that he will become something.
Yeah, this is the